This is how to record a good voiceover. The foundation of any voiceover, and hence video, is the script behind it. No matter how good your equipment or voice, people are here to listen to what you have to say. So put thought behind it and create a cohesive script. This will help you stay on track and stop you from babbling. Secondly, it's recommended that you invest in a decent microphone. Many can be found for quite cheap, such as the Blue Snowball or Rode VideoMicro. These are also quite robust and will be a long-term investment. If you don't have these, however, you can make do with your phone microphone, but for that I recommend you try your best to isolate yourself from disturbances such as under a blanket. Now finally you can start recording, but before that be sure to drink water and have a bottle next to you if you're recording for lengthy periods. This stops your voice from sounding hoarse and helps prevent weird mouth sounds like this. A dual-layered pop filter is also pretty essential to voiceovers, as it filters out the harsh P and S sounds and allows you to get much closer to the microphone for that bassy radio voice. And lastly, editing. After you're done recording, take it into an editing program such as Audacity and do some basic edits along the lines of noise removal, equalization, and compression. This will all make your voice a lot nicer to listen to. And of course, be sure to cut out the unnecessary parts such as where you stumble. And that is how you record a good voiceover. Thank you for listening.